Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Yesterday, as you can see, as market was really thin, it has made an attempt to continue move higher since the market was closed in the United States and its liquidity was really low. But again, this was not successful. This attempt was not successful. Market has come very close to the top, approached to the top, but wasn't able to pass through it. So within the recent weeks, every time we talk that we see the limited potential of the current trend. This market really just has no power to continue move up, since its two significant long positions have been accumulated, and nobody stands on the opposite side who still could purchase gold to support the trend. Whereas nobody could buy, then it means that this trend just can't continue immediately, and it needs some relief to some retracement. This really could happen on the current weeks, the starting retracement. And this is mostly, guys, the question where the short-term speculators were start to take profit. They fix the profit on the recent rally, since they still hope, they still keep the positions with the anticipation of the possible upward jump and upward continuation. As you can see, that's why market stands very tight to the top. At the same time, although every trader right now keeps the longs and look at each other, why market just doesn't continue move higher? Explanation is simple, that it's no power right now exists that could push market higher immediately. When they will tie it from the expectation and when the non-farm payrolls will come closer, we think that the speculators will start to fix profit closer to the non-farm payrolls release on Friday. That could become the trigger in a very important moment that will push gold market lower and the retracement could start. And after that, this will be like the snowball that just released from the mountain. So it will become greater and greater. And orders will start to close and stops will be triggered and so on. So market will really turn to significant retracement down. So also, as you can see, market still stands inside of the range of this big candle. So currently, guys, we see a very tricky moment. It's a very interesting situation on the gold market. It's especially on the short term. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we would like to turn back to the discussion of the butterfly that we have talked about just yesterday. In the weekly research. So recall this butterfly. Initially, we said that probably it could show just 1618, 127 extension, where that was very close to the 618 resistance of this recent move down. But based on the lack of liquidity in the thin market, gold market has continued to move higher and completed the whole 1618 butterfly right at the top. Second, as you can see, inner ABCD 1618 target also has been completed. It's very important. But the trickiness of the situation, and take a look, the market already has shown some minor bounce down. But the trickiness of the situation stands with this grabber. Take a look, the market has formed bullish grabber that suggests the taking out of this top. And this is really very important moment because we know the cunning of the gold market. And the possible washout of these stops as this one, as that one, from the orders that have been placed above it, seems very logical to the behavior of the gold market. That's why we think that retracement, if it will start, it probably should start after the wash and rinse of these stops, because gold market hardly will leave intact significant orders that have been placed slightly above this top. Also, guys, hardly gold market will miss the opportunity to punish the traders breakout traders who will try to take the position on this fake possible breakout to the upside. As soon as this market will touch the stops and orders, it could show some jumping up as the orders will start to close. Some traders who trade on the breaking of some important lows and highs, breakout traders, could start to take the long positions. So they will be trapped in the opposite direction, in the wrong direction. And the market will start to return back down. It also will trigger their stops as well. So this will be really bloodbath for the different type of the traders, speculators, those who will try to enter on the breakout and those who place stops above the stop. So that's why, guys, despite on this butterfly, because many traders also probably will have taken the position on this butterfly, as has been completed, we also have got this, take a look, A, got this triple should sell pattern, drop, A, B, C, D retracement, this market should turn down based on this pattern. So many traders already have taken the short position, placed the stops above the stop. Probably they will be washed out by the wash and rinse, since this is grabber and it suggests taking out of this stop. That's why we probably will wait for this action. Another reason why I think that this could happen, if we will combine this picture with another 4-hour time frame chart. On this time frame chart, I show you that we could get the double repo sell pattern by the Jordan Napoli. So we have this thrust up. On the first glance, it seems small, but guys, it seems small only in comparison with this action. So if you wouldn't have this action, you will get just this thrust. You probably would say that this is not small, it's normal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles to the upside. This is sufficient for the Jordan Napoli pattern. So if you will increase the chart, probably it could show you just from the other side, right? So here, as you can see, it doesn't look small. It looks absolutely normal action. So anyway, here we have just one tricky moment that market already has tested the trade support. When we deal with the double repo, we do not want to see that market has take this support, because double repo works better when the steam still in the pot. It means that market should not show significant retracement that shows that some traders already starting to take profit. But guys, first of all, this very small retracement based on even this chart, so hardly some significant orders has been triggered. Second, we have this grabber, and if market will form the new top here, these positions that has been closed here probably will be returned back by the breakout traders who will take the long position. And when they will be trapped, this double repo will take the necessary power and could work. That's why, guys, we think that's on the gold market, it's better to wait for two major points to be completed. First point is wash and rinse of these stops. So they should be wash out. So some minor, here should be some action up that will grab the stops that have been placed above it and then return it back down. By this move down, probably double repo will be completed, and this will be the signal for a possible taking the short position. At least currently, guys, we do not see any better scenario that could be traded here on the gold market. We could wait something bigger, but we could sit on the hands for a very, very long time when something big will be formed. That's why currently, guys, we see a very interesting game that's not really obvious for many traders. And this really could bring significant dividends if you will play it correctly. Because we have really some important combination of the powers that the patterns that leads us to very interesting conclusion. And that's not really obvious. So first of all, we expect the wash and rinse of this top. Second, we expect that this will be just a wash and rinse because market just has no power to continue move higher. And we should know that. Based on the Convention of Traders report that we have discussed in our weekly research, it means that market probably will fail and turn right back down. When the stops will be grabbed and market will drop lower, we will get the confirmation of this double repo sell pattern, and that will be final capitulation that could really trigger downward retracement. So let's watch for this scenario. It's really very interesting as from the practical point of view, since you will get very good experience if you will pass through this scenario. And from the theoretical point of view as well, just it shows the all moments of the market mechanics that stands on the market right now. So it's very beautiful combination. When you see such sort of the patterns, you know how you involve in this analysis the Commitment of Traders report that lets you make some really clear view on the market, what to expect and what really could happen. And when you combine real different patterns, that leads you to complete view when you prepare the complete analysis, and you know step by step what to expect and how to react. So on this, and we think that's really very interesting and bright setup. It's very intelligent, and so we think that's really worth it to follow it. If you even will not trade this setup, you just monitor how it will happen. It's really could be very amazing. So let's see how it will turn. It's really very thrilling moment, guys. And I hope that we will be right and we will get what we really would like to get.